Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to create Gmail account on your iPhone. So guys, keep watching this video until the end. Open Safari application on your iPhone. Here is tap on Google, and now guys, here's the interface. Simply tap on sign in top right corner. Here's I have already signed my account. So simply tap on again. Here is tap on this profile icon. If you have already account signed, so tap on it and tap on add another account, and wait for some second. Tap on create account and tap on for my personal use. Wait for some second. Enter your first name and last name. Here is I have added my first name and last name. Tap on next and enter your date of birth. Here is now guys, tap on gender and tap on next and wait for some second. Now guys, his suggestion email addresses. So simply I am typing create your own Gmail address. Now here is add your suggesting Gmail address you want to write. After adding, tap on next. Wait for some second again. Here guys, now enter your password. Now confirm password. Tap on next. Here is now enter your phone number for verification. So guys, after intake phone number verification, your email address has been created, and your Gmail account has been created on your iPhone by this method. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.